In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can globally ignore files. So in the previous one, we saw how to ignore files at project level. And here in this one, we'll be exploring how we can do the same at a global level, so we don't have to go every time and set it at project level if the file extensions or file types are of same type. So here the command to do that is git config --global core.exclude file, and then you're providing the path name. So here this setting will be applied at a user level, not at a file or project level. So at user level, it will create a file, and you can see that the extension or the file name is dot. It's starting with dot, so by default it will be a hidden file. So we're saying dot gitignore under the underscore global. So gitignore is the same file that we have created in our previous lecture. Underscore global just to denote that it's at a global level, it's configured at a global level, and whatever file extensions or expressions you will be mentioning inside it will be applied at a global level. So you don't have to go every time in projects and kind of set the same thing.